most eyes I've ever seen on any person. Your arms.
Oh, your hand's trembling.
That's because you're near.
Pardon me?
Tell her that.
That's because you're near.
You really have to say, don't you?
Now, tell her that you've met a lot of dames, but she is really something special.
Oh, that you won't believe.
Oh, no?
I have met a lot of dames, but you are really something special.
Really?
She bought it.
It was obvious that he was crazy about it. On all levels, you could see that happening. Absolutely. Especially when I stopped being asked for dinner.
She was always beautiful and incredibly gifted. We went out together. We lived together for a while. She's remained a very close friend of mine to this day.
I worked it, you know, I really worked trying to get him to fall in love with me. He didn't quite fall in love with me, but I was around a lot, and we made a good team. We were a good team.
David Beckham was president of office and chairman of the board of the United Artists. And his man came and introduced himself. He was David Beckham. And he said, I want
got the hiccups.
pictures for my company. I said, he said, what will it take? I said, put $2 million in a paper bag, give it to us, and go over it, and we'll bring you the picture. And I said, will you do that? And he said, you gotta do it. And it was that simple.
I play a character who lives in New York who works as a tester of products. I test new products to see if they're safe for the public. I go to a Latin American country, and through a circuitous series of events, I become the leader of that country during a revolution. And come back to the United States, bearded and well-tanned and brilliant.